Shanghai Clirik Machinery Co., Ltd. located in Pudong New District of Shanghai, China as a professional enterprise, which is specializing in research, manufacture and sales of all kinds of mining equipment. Our company has already formed a full set of modern production line. Equipped with intelligent, standardized testing and controlling laboratories, owned a professional team for R&D, production, sales and service. So far, we have established a whole production chain. The products cover micro powder grinding mill, high pressure grinding mill, Europe inversion coarse grinding mill, hammer crusher, jaw crusher, screw conveyor, bucket elevator, and so on. They are widely used in the industry of mining, construction materials, chemicals, metallurgy, transportation, hydraulic engineering, and so on. Specially, we independently developed HGM micro powder grinding mill, which are not only renowned in domestic market, but also have been sold widely in Eastern Europe, Middle East, Africa, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Oceania, and America, etc. We still insist on the communication and cooperation with prestigious scientific research institutions from both home and abroad to make our development ability always is in the domestic front.